Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're doing great and you are ready to trade. Happy Friday, everybody. All right, so this is our watch list. We have Anpc Gern. These are penny stocks. Um, and I'm also watching BBIG. There's really not much on the penny stock world moving. All right, we got Anpc that has news. Breaking above the trend now. Let's see this. Give me 1 second. Let me update my watch list here. Okay, so AMPC, we're gonna have some room to run to around that 540, which we might hit before pre-market. I mean, before the open. We're gonna have some resistance there. We can break that. We're gonna have some resistance at 564, and then pre-market high is 587. So those are some targets we can hit moving upwards on AMPC. And then we have Gern. Gern kind of just giving everything back from the open. We did have some support right around there, which kind of holding from yesterday's low. We are on this downtrend. So if we can break above this downtrend, we'll hit the 170 to 175 area. So if we can break that downtrend, we're gonna have some resistance about here. It looks like we are gonna hold support there, but we'll see at the open. So Gern, potentially right now, it is hitting right at support. So if you like buying low, you can get some around this range with a stop loss below 160. So you risk about 3 cents uh, for a potential reversal to 175. If it can break above 175, um, you have room to run to about this 183 area. And then if it breaks that, you're going to test new high around 183. So something to watch here. And then BBIG, uh, kind of choppy. Kind of watching this one because apparently they have like a merger coming up or something. And a lot of people are bullish on the stock. So I'm kind of watching and see if it gets momentum. Um, does have some support around 389. to 375. So maybe some dips around that area could work. Set an alert there. All right, and then I'm also watching Tesla, like I always do. I like to play Tesla on a daily basis. If something sets up, I scalp it, and Tesla is finding some support here at 609, 610 area. So somewhere here, if we can reverse, that would work out. Um, I'm also watching NVDA. NVDA right now is finding some support around 646 area. If it can get above 657, this area right here that's been rejecting um, since yesterday's close, we can have some more upside potential uh, to about 780 area to potentially hitting 800 next week. So we'll see what happens today. We got 5 minutes. There's not a lot on the watch list. So get ready, guys, for the open.
30 seconds to the U.S. market open. BA Boeing fared out with a note on Boeing. Says Boeing has delivered 14 737 MAX aircraft so far during the first 17 days of June, which is close to the rate we expected, potentially one per day. We expect Boeing likely to exceed this rate as activity is expected to be very robust over the next 2 weeks. That's from Baird on Boeing, BA. Shares of Boeing now at 230, 820, moving off the lows, down about less than 0.5% now on Boeing BA. WHO's emergency head Ryan says trajectory of COVID-19 cases in Africa is very concerning. HSBC's retail banking business in France, potential sale to be expected to be completed in the first half of 2023. That's HSBC. Hotel Sandy Bravo Charlie. BMY, Bravo Michael Yankee, Bristol Myers Squibb receives European Commission approval for Honoreg has frontline oral maintenance therapy for adults with acute myeloid leukemia. That's BMY. Bristol Myers Square, Bravo Michael Yankee.
DBW drop. You're still in? You sold it, right? Oh, you rebought at $2.99. What is it at now? Oh, so you're down 20 cents. I got 300 shares. I'm not worried. Sweet, yeah. You win with less shares than last time. Yeah, that's the smart thing to do.
Foxtrot halted on a circuit breaker. $6.83, up 11% Alfie.
Anpc. Let's see if we can hit target here. 564. $2.75. Okay, so it's climbing up. Yeah, it happens, Steven.
ALF, Alpha Lima Foxtrot, resumes trading. $7.34 the high on Alfie. Shares up about 18% at the high on Alpha Lima Foxtrot.
Okay, NVDA, Roku, and Tesla moving up nicely.
ORPH, Orphazyme, July 17.5 call sweep now on ORPH, Oscar Romeo Papa Hotel. CLSD, Charlie Lima Sandy Delta. CLSD price target raised to $15 at Roth Capital. That's Charlie Lima Sandy Delta, CLSD. Shares getting a pop here. That's Charlie Lima Sandy Delta. SNY, Sanofi, European Commission approves Orbaggio as the first oral therapy for first-line treatment of children and adolescents living with relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. That's SNY, Sanofi, Sandy November Yankee. EYES, Echo Yankee, Echo Sandy, Second Sight Medical, receiving a European patent. EYES, field focusing and mapping in an electrical array. That's EYES, Echo Yankee, Echo Sandy. S&P futures near the lows now, 41.69.
Public app suspends the ability to buy MC. Wow. I don't have public. I've heard about it. Do you like it? It's terrible. You get 4 day trades a year? Huh? Oh, for the PDQ rule? Yeah. I think most traders do. I mean, most brokers do that, don't they? Oh, it's an investment. And a long term. You did 3 day trades in the rolling 5-day period. Public is 4. I see.
TAL, TAL Education, moving here on some volume, Tango Alpha Lima.
Looks like everything says there's a feeling.
ROKU, Roku, seeing some call activity now. The weekly 365 call share is popping to the highs on Roku. Company had a press release out earlier. ROKU. Roku reporting earlier launch of Roku Originals drives record 2-week streaming period for the Roku channel. That's ROKU. Roku 363.48 up about 3% now on Roku, ROKU. CRWD, CrowdStrike, October 330 call sweep, currently at 243.54. That's CRWD. ACN, Accenture Federal Services, wins $112 million task order to protect federal agencies from cyber breaches. That's Alpha Charlie November. NBY, Nova Bay shares spiking here. Shares hitting 79 cents now. What is reporting last night that Sydney, Australia was reinstating their mask order to contain the Delta COVID-19 variant. That's November Bravo Yankee, now trading around 80 cents, up 12% now. Seeing some heavy call activity, heavy option activity in Chinese education stocks this morning.
So you're gonna be buying some dip buys as well on DPW, Steven? Or you're just gonna stick with your 300 shares?
Brady Corporation acquires Code Corp for about $173 million. Completed the acquisition. That's BRC.
2,000. I thought you said you only had 300. Did you add more? You got free shares.
DADA, Data Nexus, getting a pop here to the high, seeing some call activity.
You bought the
Weekly
dip today?
$30 sweep in DADA, Delta Alpha, Delta Alpha.
3, 2, 1.
It's just spiked to 370. I saw it 340. Yeah, I hear you, but I thought you had said you'd only bought 300. Maybe I misunderstood. So you're in 2,000 shares. Yeah, because you were in heavily, right, on before you sold yesterday.
TRMR, Tango Romeo, Michael Romeo, Tremor International, shares opening at
Yeah.
$19, priced at $19. That's Tango Romeo, Michael Romeo, TRMR.
Is there anything else you're swinging, or just you mainly focus on DPW?
WAFU, Wahoo Education, another China education stock. Moving here now. Canada says it's extending restrictions on non-essential travel at U.S. land borders through July 21st. OXY, Occidental Petroleum, the June 28 call sweep on OXY. Occidental shares at 28.67 now, up about 1.5% for OXY, Oscar X-Ray Yankee. Shares of Roku continuing to hit new highs, 365.38. Roku up 3.5% now. ROKU.
Roku's beastie, man. You're on DPW until you get what you want. How long have you been trading, Steven? I might have asked you this already, but I don't remember. How long have you been trading?
BHAT getting a pop here. Bravo Hotel Alpha Tango on volume.
7-8 years. Oh wow.
BHAT.
It's cool, man. So, um, we're almost about the same time. And do you mainly swing trade? Is that what you do? Is that your niche? Swing trading? I see. You don't know. That's good, man. Awesome. So normally you take one swing at a time. Like once you're done with the PW, then you just kind of move on to the next. When do you finally say that's it? Is there a specific target you're looking for? I think you told me last time you wanted $4. I think it went up to 370, right? I swung some DPW to this year, earlier this year. Yeah, I think we hit 1094 back in November. So I swung this one back in April. I had like a 250 average and I sold at 297. Yeah. Right now it has 270 support here. Let's see. $265. They can hit 260, 265, 260. I'm seeing some support here. And if it breaks that, I mean, this thing comes down to two. I will load up on it. It has $2. Not some support here. Bounced twice off. We'll only risk a couple cents below $2. I don't think it'll come that far though. I think 260 is gonna hold. Yeah. Nah, man, don't listen to me. It's not gonna. I don't think it's gonna come to $2. I think 260 is gonna hold support. But I mean, if it did, I'm just saying, man, if it did, you count me in, all right? Do you do this over 200 SPY from the stream? What do you mean? You swang some spy puts? Oh, Jay. I I thought I was talking to Steven. I was like, Steven swung some spies. I mean, played spy. I never heard Steven play spy. Jay, yeah, Jay's a beast at playing spy. So is the DXY going up? That's what's going on.
FUBO Fubo TV, the July 35 call sweep on FUBO, Foxtrot Uniform Bravo Oscar, Fubo TV. Nikkei reporting a North Korea hack targeting South Korea's nuclear power research.
Yeah. What else are you thinking, Jay? The spy? How about you, Steven? What do you do this full time, or is this kind of like your side thing that you do?
RGB, Red Robin says expansion plan will feature Donato's Pizza in more than 200 restaurants by year end. That's Romeo Golf Bravo.
Let's check it out, Steven. See what's going on. What are you talking about, man? The 274 area? So if you make a trend on the 15-minute, we have this trend that we haven't been able to break since Wednesday. We have Wednesday, we hit one, actually since Tuesday one. We started this trend after we came down from 370, came down, we hit 306, 304, 301, 298. And if you draw that trend line on the 15 minutes, we hit it again on Thursday at 289. And then it'll be there today again around 280. So if 280 doesn't break, we're just going to continue riding that trend down on the 15 minute. You might be able to see 260 before we can get a bounce.
GERN, Geron.
Yeah, there's a huge trend line here on the 15 minute. Just can't break it. Oh shoot, NVDA. No, 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 no. Dang it, man, I wanted a bigger pullback.
Company on Thursday announced publication of Embark Phase 2 journal, Phase 2 data in Journal of Clinical Oncology.
70 is being held down, yeah.
Imetelstat in the treatment of myelofibrosis. That's Golf Echo Romeo November.
What broker do you use to look at your level 2 and your time sales?
CODX, Code Diagnostics, received CE marking for direct saliva SARS-CoV-2 test. That's Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray.
You use Weibo? On Weibo, do you have to pay for the level 2?
HAPP, Happiness Biotech launch beta version of Happy Buy International, promoting cross-border e-commerce and SaaS services. That's HAPP.
Or do you have, do they provide it for you? Or do you have to pay a monthly fee to get level 2 on Weibo? Oh, you got it for a promotion. I see. You usually gotta pay like $2. Oh, not bad. Do you mainly trade on your phone? I see. Oh man, it's 1 hour already. Wall move not to 7. Really hate that. Yeah, um, the market overall is red, even so it's gonna be tough right now for a lot of stocks. I think the only thing moving is tech.
ELVT, Elevate Credit, spiking here, Echo Lima Victor Tango. GSAT Global Star, the January 2023 3.5 call sweep on GSAT Global Star. ROKU, Roku making more new highs now. Shares up about 4% on Roku, ROKU. IPSC, India Papa Sandy Charlie, indicating $19.50, priced at $20. IPSC, ATAI, Atai Life Sciences, indicating $19.50, priced at $15. DNAY, indicating $20.80, Codex DNA, priced at $16. CYT, Charlie Yankee Tango, Cytea Therapeutics, indicating $23.40, priced at $18. That's Charlie Yankee Tango.
Jay, you got some spike calls now? For next week? Jay, you got spike calls for next week or for this week? Some lotto calls. Yeah, because we are hitting that we had a 415, 416 support there. On the cost, how close do you play to the money? Like I can see a bounce back to 422. Do you play something close to the money so you can be in the money right away, or do you play something uh, higher? Yeah, for next week there's that 420 has like 13,000 in volume.
ICLR, India Charlie Lima Romeo. Evergreen Therapeutics announcing agreement with Icon PLC to conduct phase 2 clinical trial for COVID-19 drug candidate. That's ICLR.
Roku making you high. Yeah, I like the support too here at spot around 415, 416 area. Should have a bounce soon.
AMPE, AMPO Pharmaceutical seeing some volume coming in. Company announcing the addition to the Russell 2000 and 3000 index. That's AMPE. That was earlier. DNAY, Delta November Alpha Yankee, Codex DNA shares opening at $20, priced at $16. Delta November Alpha Yankee. WKHS Workhorse, new Workhorse trademark application just disclosed from Metron Air, intended for use of downloadable computer software and downloadable mobile applications for use in managing delivery packages via drones. That's WKHS. WKHS Workhorse shares getting a pop here on that trademark news. HAPP, Happiness Biotech, getting a pop here on some volume. Company with a press release a little while ago. Regarding the launch of their beta version of Happy Boy International, HAPP.
Even yeah, bro. DPW is just gonna have to let it do its thing. I don't think it's gonna be today, Steven.
Happiness Biotech shares spiking to
I think next week, DPW should get a push up. Probably trade sideways today. DBIG, I was hoping to get this 389 here. DBIG has a merger coming up. You see it here all the time. Yeah, last time, no, I didn't. Okay, the price pushing down a little bit more. It's way oversold. Roku just beasting today.
GERN, Geron Corporation shares continuing to tick higher, hitting the intraday high now, $1.74. Golf Echo Romeo November. Company announcing positive data from its blood cancer treatment study, GERN. Happiness Biotech shares now spiking to the highs off of that press release. HAPP. Happiness said in their press release that the company will mainly use TikTok to promote Happy Buy International.
BW 277.
The company's CEO said we have strong confidence in the development of Happy Buy International on TikTok. ORPH, Orphazyme shares over $9 now, $9.12. Oscar Romeo Papa Hotel. TLGT, Intelligent, announcing adjournment of annual meeting of stockholders. Tango Leaf Golf Tango, Tango Lima Golf Tango. AMAM, Ambrx Biopharma shares opening at $18, priced at $18. That's Alpha Michael, Alpha Michael. VXRT, Vaxart, January $8 call sweep, Victor X-Ray Romeo Tango. $1,100 contracts on that VXRT.
Oh, Roku, man. Going. Let me check it out. IRDM. Support. 4340 resistance. Yeah. 43. I would be targeting 43. And if you're trying to get a dip buy, I would somewhere around the perfect dip buy will be around this 37 something. If you can set an alert there. If you're already in, 43 would be target. And I have resistance. So that's IRDM.
WISH context logic popping here on heavy volume now to the highs, $12.06. WISH. Weekly $11 call sweep now on WISH.
Yeah, I think 415 is gonna be here support. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna grab some here just to push a little bit more down. And yeah, it does. Give me a second, guys. UPS is here. I think it brought me a package. All right, man. How's everybody doing? Let's go. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, please. Nice big run here on Roku. Nvda. Gonna keep an eye on this for reversal. Nvda has more room to run. I'm liking the 800 call here. Let's see what we get a reversal. In the 200 EMA right now. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's not 10. Oh yeah, we are close. So 415 SPY, I got filled here.
FUV Arcimoto, July, $15 call sweep now, Foxtrot Uniform Victor, FUV.
DPW War 2. PW277 now. Do you also have a computer, Steven, or you're just looking on your phone? You have a computer, you don't use it though? You're just so used to your phone. How did you start though? I mean, you've been trading for a while. How did you used to trade before phone? You trade on the phone. Yes, sir. That's weird. So you never transitioned to a computer, you just went straight with the phone. That's cool, man. I can't trade on phone. I mean, I have my long-term portfolio that I use Robinhood. That's the only thing I use Robinhood for. Okay, Gern moving up slowly here. Getting two of our targets. I robbed Robinhood. What do you mean? You got robbed or you robbed? I can't use that app ever again. What happened? What the heck? I deposited $5,000 from my bank that I didn't have, and it kicked it to my bank somehow, and I withdrew the money. My Robinhood is negative 5K. What the heck? How does that even happen? Crazy. Never heard anything like that. Alright, anybody don't get any ideas? Okay, so you can see here, like with these signals, the longer trends that you have, the better the signals are. When the range are kind of choppy like this, kind of hard all over the place, especially when there's no trend. Watching NVDA here, see we hold this 756 support. We bounce off of it. I'm looking at some 800 calls for next week. SPY coming down to that 7415. Tsla. I bet they didn't steal a thing. They don't even know it's gone. A lot of people got screwed with JME with Robinhood. Remember those days? So then after that you went to GME. I mean GME. You went to Webull. Yeah, if you know how to trade, Webull's better. I've messed with it a little bit. I just still not comfortable. As a matter of fact, I started a Webull challenge with my account with 50 bucks, and because I don't know who was telling me that it was impossible to. You need a lot of money, so I started with a $50 account on Webull, and I told them, that I could throw that $50.
GERN Gern share is now spiking here on heavier volume. GERN ATAI at Thai Life Sciences share is open now at $21, priced at $15. That's Alpha Tango Alpha India ATAI.
What do you say at first? Going on high volume. Anyways, yeah. So I grew that $50 to $800 in I think it was like in a month and a half, doing some swings. I hit some swings pretty big, so. No, it wasn't a month and a half. It was like 2 months and a half. 2 months and a half. Something like that. It was fairly quick. And I still have that money in Webull. I haven't even messed with it. That was the only time I used Webull. I always forget that I have some money in there. I tried and that was all penny stocks too. I was just swinging some penny stocks. Okay, let's see if we bounce here on SPY. We hit 415, 59. Yeah, Jay, trying to push now. That 415 had to hold. That's why everything's kind of pushing here. I wanted NVDA to come up just a little bit more down. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Jay and Steven, you guys are the ones most often here. What do you guys recommend for my YouTube channel? Is there something you guys recommend that would help it? Do you guys have any ideas? Maybe something I should add? NVDA came to 200 EMA. Pushing now. DPW. Do more videos like Doge. Yeah. For some reason, Doge wasn't really working, man. Maybe it was maybe the YouTube's already saturated with Doge videos. I was giving out some really good levels and everything. I mean, my levels were hitting like to the dot. My support were hitting to the dot. My trends were on point. I don't know. Just I think people like the hype. They want to hear that it's going to the moon. You know, even though it's not. And I wasn't doing that. And I mean, I don't want to do that. People lose money, you know, doing that. Believing, especially like these guys have large following. They pump it that it's gonna go and you better buy now, and they give all these reasons why. But the charts are telling you otherwise. That's why you always have to listen to the charts. It doesn't matter what anybody says. What is where's Dogecoin right now? I have some Dogecoin. I bought some dips. Oh, we're at 28. We got support 28, 24. Okay, SPY. Looking good. Right click make titles like Doge to $1 soon. Nio to 100. Should buy now. Stuff like that. Yeah, I hear you. Bring them in and then tell them the truth, right? Tell them, I'm sorry. Dogecoin is not going to $1. Unsubscribe. Nio is not actually going to 100. It's going to $30. Unsubscribe. Thumbs down. Yeah, I should write. I should put some more interesting titles, right? Just to bring them in and then tell them the truth. Let them know that the truth, where the support, where the resistance is, like a real trader, all these guys giving little, buy now, it's going to the moon. You're gonna miss out. Yes, but don't say it's not, because it's nothing's guaranteed. Yeah, nothing's ever guaranteed in the market.
COG, Charlie Oscar Golf, Cabot Oil and Gas, June 17th call sweep on.
So the market, and I tell this on my channel when I shoot those videos, the market is a game of probabilities, right? So you play in the favor, you play the stock according to what the chart is telling you. Showing the probability is more on your side of what you're thinking. So it can always goes against you, but you play that probability that it's either going to go up or down depending on what you're looking at. And that's it. Nothing's ever guaranteed. If somebody ever says, oh, it's going to this price, they're liars, right? They're liars. Unsubscribe from their channel. Unsubscribe. Because nothing's ever guaranteed. There's reasons, that I hit targets because I see resistance there. I see 200 EMAs there. I see, certain things, and we hit target. But I mean, those are levels that I and other, traders can see, and we hit them. It's not that we know where it's going. It's just certain targets stick out like a sore thumb, and that's where a chart's gonna get shorted on the daily. Or if it's coming down to the 200 EMA, it's a support 50 EMA, and shorts are gonna cover around those areas, and you're gonna go long. But to say that all this stock is just gonna go to a certain price range by the next 3 years, it's a total lie. Could happen, but I don't think those probabilities. More like you're gambling at that point. Yeah, you're right, Jay. People, yeah, that's yeah. People don't like hearing that they're wrong. That's what I mean. For example, like on Dogecoin, like everybody's stuck to that $1, right? And if I said, as a matter of fact, I think on one of the videos I did have a comment saying that it was gonna go to $1, that I better load up, and I didn't know what I was talking about. I don't know, something like that. And all I was saying was that it was gonna have some resistance in this area, and probability was, if we break, we can see this target. If we go down, it's gonna go down to this level. But they were stuck on it's gonna go to $1, and it felt like a threat to them that I said that it probably, will not break this resistance. And yeah, I didn't. I mean, we haven't seen $1 yet, so I bet they're down on their account. I hope they come back and subscribe to my channel. The big W going to 4 in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, that's Steven, the difference is that's more realistic, you know. DPW is an established company, and you know what is Dogecoin? It's just, you know, a meme stock. It can happen. I mean, DPW has been up to $10. I mean, you're saying it could go up to 4. It's realistic, you know. Now, if you told me it's going to 20 or 30, you know, this year, I'll be, you know, I don't know about that. It could happen though, but you know, I don't know about that. We would need to get through 10 first, then we could talk about 20. But yeah. All right, NVDA. Let's see what you got here, man.
LU, Lufax Holding, seeing some call activity December 12.5 on LU, Lima Uniform. Now let's see what you got, NVDA. What time is it? 10:48. MACD wants to curl up here. Yeah, I should start doing more videos like on what do you guys think, like AMC? I just feel it's very saturated already with videos from AMC. Or maybe you know what? Like when I find a good chart setup that like NVDA today, I saw that since yesterday, that range. You know, something like that. Yeah, you see it. I'm not a YouTuber. I have to work on that, Jay. You're right. You're right, man. I'm new to the game. I need to work on being excited. Fast talking, yeah. Some of those guys can talk fast.
about like showing my profits. I thought of that, but I don't like that because then all my relatives are gonna see what I'm making. But I know that would attract people, you know. Showing the money and your P&L at the end of the day. Reason out, yeah, gonna have all my family calling me, Primo, I saw you made 20,000. Can you lay me $500? All right, NVDA, you're gonna break this downtrend. You're gonna go up. You're gonna break, what is it? 670. You're gonna break high day, and you're gonna go to the moon. Spy stuck on 416. What is the DX? The US dollar is, okay, it's coming down. They're on the uptrend though. Okay. Yeah, so I'll do some videos with like rocket emojis and moon and diamond hands and buy now. Buy now, you're gonna be left behind. Anyways, when you guys ask me though about a chart, I'll I tell you my honest opinion. So don't listen to the clickbaits, all right? Okay, here we go. Signal NVDA. Let's go to the moon. And it's having trouble. NVDA raised prices objective of 900 from 800. An increased growth opportunity keeps buy rating high. Just got that right now, 1052. Does anybody trade any gold or silver? Tesla in a choppy range here. Roku holding at 360 level, 361. And NVDA wants to reverse. Okay, so you do the same thing. You do the opposite. NVDA didn't want to get through here. Wow, look at Gern. Look at this puppy, man, just trending slowly. 157 entry. Wow. Not too shabby there. All right, SPY. I think we're gonna get some momentum now. We break that 416. We're going to the moon. Oh, Tesla now. $199 on Gern. Gern. $2 now. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. It's lunchtime. All right, so I'm gonna be watching these three right here: Tesla, Roku, Nvda, Spy. Also, I got some calls there for next week. Let's see how they do. And it's just above that 415. Or else I'm not gonna add any more. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you guys on Money Monday. I'll see you guys. Hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget to study. I'll see if I can do a video or two on something. Something that I see for Monday. That would be a good idea. So I'll look at some chart setups. If I see something good, for I don't know if I should do any penny stocks. I'm thinking I'm not. More some large caps and stuff like that. Anyways, we'll see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on Monday. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments in the videos. If you find a setup, put it in the comment on this video after I end it, and I'll take a look at it. Maybe I'll do a video on that. We'll see. So BBIG, guys, they have a merger coming up. So
CCIV, Charlie India Victor, Lucid Motors tweeting, New York City makes luxury electric. Lucid Motors Studio opens next week in Meatpacking District. That's CCIV.
CCIV, nice. So this could be a swing potential. I was looking for a dip on this area, didn't quite come down. Now it's going up. So if you're interested, it gets a dip. BBIG, do some due diligence on it. Has room to go up. So I'll see you guys Monday. Till then, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys. Adios.